Mommy and Piper. Mommy and Piper. Cooking videos. Hey guys.
Hey guys.
So we're making another recipe.
I don't know.
What are we making? Do you remember what it's called?
I don't know.
What does it have in it?
No.
What's that over there?
Huh?
Blueberries. We are going to make some blueberry cheese muffins. So what we're going to do is we're going to start out with some softened cream cheese. Can you get your cream cheese?
No. I can't have it to do this.
Okay. Well, so we're going to get this out and we're going to put it in a bowl. You got yours?
No. Mine.
So it's been sitting out for a little while because you want it to be easy to mix and blend. And this is very mixable and blendable. I like to get all mine. Do you need help? You got it?
I got it.
Okay. All right, so what we're going to do is we are going to get the cream cheese in here and then
Give me cream is not butter.
Yeah, that's not butter. We're going to get the cream cheese in here and we're going to beat that together just a little bit. And then we'll show you what else we've got going on.
She just did it.
I can not beat the wires in there. So we're just trying to get the cream cheese just pretty much creamy and all together. And this is why you want it to be room temperature, because if it's not room temperature, it's a little bit harder to get blended. And I'm going to get a spatula just to kind of help get down the sides a little bit. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do...
I can do mine. I get mine.
Oh, you're going to do yours.
Yeah, I get mine.
She has her own little kitchen, you guys, that she loves to cook in, and so, you know. Okay, so we beat the cream cheese. You're going to add in whatever kind of sweetener. I use Splenda. Don't crucify me. A lot of people are like, that's the devil. I like it. So, but you can use sugar. If you really want to make this like a low carb option, you know, use the kind of sugar substitutes. Stevia, that's a good one. Awesome. Good job. So we're going to add that. We're also going to add, here, let's be careful because it might not be too clean. Just a minute, okay?
Yeah.
We're going to add 2 eggs to this. 1. Hey, be careful. Don't stick that in there.
I'm going to wash off.
Okay. No. Leave that there.
I want to
Cooking with a toddler. Okay.
clean
Stop. I'm going to let you, we've got to wash that in the sink first, okay?
it.
Yeah, it's not the cleanest. And then we're going to add a little vanilla. Can you talk to them? Hey, what'd I just say? Don't do that. Don't do that. No, ma'am. Y'all, don't let her do it. Don't let her do it, y'all.
Yeah.
Don't let her do it. All right, don't do that. We're going to add a little bit of some vanilla. Yeah, we don't do that. Okay, great. She just ate that. Marvelous. Because you know raw eggs, that's fabulous. Okay, now we're going to beat this all together. And it makes it really, you want it to get real blended very well. You want those eggs to make sure they're very well incorporated. Turn this up a little bit. Making sure I get it all mixed up together. This is going to almost be kind of like a cream cheese cake, like a little muffin. You like muffins, don't you? And you like blueberries too, don't you? Okay. All right. I was going to show you all her muffins. Okay. So now what we're gonna do, I'm gonna take these blueberries, give them a rinse.
You can have my muffins.
Yep.
You can have my muffins.
Can you help me get these blueberries in here?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, let's put these blueberries in here, okay? Can you help me?
Yeah.
So, all in all, you're going to want about 1/4 a cup of blueberries, give or take. We really like blueberries. Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
Not bad.
Mm-hmm. Not bad.
Not as tangy and tart as I like for them to be. All right, that looks like good. We're going to save the rest of these for later, okay? Then we're going to take some sliced almonds. About 1/4 a cup. Again, I am going to add a little bit more than that. I love almonds.
I don't like almonds.
You don't like almonds. Thank you for that commentary. I appreciate that.
I don't like almond skin.
Yeah, she doesn't like almonds. And then what we're going to do is we're going to fold this all together. And for you new bakers, nope. Folding just means you're not like stirring excessively.
Hey,
And
I'm again.
you're just kind of doing like a circular motion here. Okay, and I need to go check on my other recipe that I'm making right now. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I am going to pause it and be right back. All right, so I have my cookie scoop here, and I have a muffin pan that I have greased with some coconut oil, and I am just going to... We're going to do that in a different video. And this is a large muffin tin, so it takes a little bit to fill these up. They're not going to rise a whole lot. But we're just going to do this. And I have my oven preheated to 350 degrees. And we're going to let these bake for, let me see how long I said I was going to do. 20 minutes. 20 minutes. 350 degree oven. Yeah. We're doing low carb, and she's got, yeah, that's how we do it. That is how we do it, folks. That's how we do it. So, because my muffin tins, because it is an extra large muffin tin, it looks like I'm only going to get 9 muffins, but this would easily, I think, make 12 if you have like a regular muffin tin pan, which I need to get, but we just tend to eat large muffins around here. Well, we really don't eat any muffins a whole lot, since we don't do a whole lot of sugar. Don't look what she's eating, huh? Her daddy is addicted to sugar. Does daddy like sugar?
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, so we're going to get these in the oven?
He always opened the bag.
Yeah. So we're going to get these in the oven, and we're going to let them cook for about, how long did we say? 20 minutes, right? Mussels?
Skin.
Can you make a mussel? Look.
Skin.
Yeah.
Nobody said.
Alright, so I'm going to put this in the oven. Thank you very much. We'll be back when they're done. Alright, please excuse our dishwasher in the background. However, these blueberry cheese muffins are done right out of the oven. They're not too pretty, but Piper's going to give it a taste and tell you guys how it is. Careful, it's still a little hot. Do you need Mommy to cut it up for you?
Yeah.
How is it? It's good?
My daddy.
You what?
My daddy wants to see.
Your daddy would like some, you think?
Oh, what?
How is it? Can you tell them what it tastes like?
About daddy.
Do you think they should make it? Is it good?
Yeah, what about daddy?
We'll feed some to Daddy when he gets home, okay? Alright, guys. Give us a thumbs up. Yes, we're going to make those next. Give us a thumbs up. Let us know if you try it. 3-year-old approved. So, not bad. These can be for breakfast. They can just be for if you've got a little bit of a sweet tooth.
Oh, they do that.
The only thing I think I would change is maybe a little dash of some lemon juice or lemon extract. I don't know how that would change the keto effect or whatever, but never a dull moment. So yeah, give it a try, guys. Let us know if you try it, and I hope you enjoyed this video and cooking with Piper and Mommy.